Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy an ETF using Etrade. First, you'll need to set up an account with Etrade if you haven't done so already. Visit the Etrade website and click on the option to open an account. Follow the prompts to provide your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Once your account is created and verified, you can log in. After logging into your Etrade account, navigate to the trading section. Use the search bar to find the specific ETF you want to buy. You can enter the ETF's ticker symbol or its name to locate it quickly. Once you find the ETF, click on it to view more details, including its current price, performance history, and other relevant information. Next, determine the number of shares you wish to purchase. In the order entry section, enter the number of shares and select the type of order you want to place, such as a market order or a limit order. A market order will purchase shares at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to set a maximum price you are willing to pay. Review the order details to ensure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied, click the Submit Order button to complete your purchase. You will receive a confirmation that your order has been placed, and you can track the status of your investments directly through your Etrade account dashboard. Congratulations, you now know how to buy an ETF using Etrade.